Gorgeous colonial style home in the coveted Laural Cove neighborhood. This home shows pride of ownership. Downstairs, large family room, warm and inviting den west/fireplace, dining room, updated kitchen with granite, stainless steel appliances, powder room, and spacious laundry room. Upstairs, primary bedroom with large ensuite, 3 additional bedrooms, plus second full bathroom. Beautifully landscaped yard west/a fabulous deck, partially covered, off the back of the home. Great for entertaining. Driveway extended to side of home for additional parking. Fresh paint and plenty of storage. Conveniently located near beaches, military bases, Interstate 264, First Landing State Park, amazing restaurants, and shopping. Active Civic League West/neighborhood events.